guys, what's up? It's me again. And today pupunta kami ng Bangkok, Thailand. So hindi na ako nag-vlog kanina kasi we have this tradition na wag mo na magpo-post or anything bago sa immigration. Because you know how hard Philippine immigration na makapaglampas. So, ito pala kasama ko. Kasama ko si Baby. Yan. Tapos ito rin. So, hindi pa nakatutok sa kanya yung camera, guys. Nagpa-practice na siya ng English niya. For sure. For this travel, we're going to Bangkok, Thailand, Phnom Penh, Cambodia, tapos Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam. It's also known as the Tri-City. So, famous siya sa Filipinos. Actually, bago kami mag-decide to travel here, na-consider muna namin yung local. Pero, sobrang mahal na kasi ng cost ng local travel here because of gentrification. Gentrification! Actually, mas mura talaga itong travel na to, na 3 bansa. Compared sa, halimbawa, sa El Nido or sa Boracay. So, eto guys, may naghihintay na ditong ma-interview siya. Kanina pa siya naghihintay. So, let me introduce him to you, Benz Franklin.
Guys, that's not true. I wasn't waiting for that. So, but yeah. So we're going to BKK tonight. So it's our first time to travel together, us 3 out of the country. Kasi last time, it's Isaiah and Angela, they went to Thailand, pero hindi ako nakasama that time because before that I went to Thailand as well. So now, Taiwan, sorry. Cut. Breakout.
Here na sa Bangkok. Punta kami sa 7-Eleven, guys. Our hotel lobby. Oh, malamig. O baka kasi alas 4 ng umaga. Pero malamig oh.
Ganun din naman sa Pilipinas pag early morning.
Hindi ganito. Parang Tagaytay. Guys, para kaming nasa Marikina. Magkano to? 45. $10. Magkano to? 10. Kasi ito 45. Ito 45 din. Yeah, that's it. First impression sa food. Sarap, manghang, mura. So start pa lang yun. So far, so good. Excuse me. Morning guys. Good morning Bangkok. What's up?
So it's our first day today here in Bangkok, Thailand, guys. So we're gonna start getting ready. What time is it?
Time check. It's
Pagising mo, ganun agad yung energy.
ang fake.
Yeah, so we're just gonna prep a bit, clean up a bit, because the room is quite a mess. So we'll see you guys in a bit.
Yeah, let's go. What's up? Pasok po. Hi po. Guys, look. Our long lost friend. Nakita namin siya sa daan. 3 years na siyang nawawala. Paki-inform na lang doon sa amin. Guys, ang presko ng hangin kahit ano na.
Unlike in the
Noon
Philippines, pag ganito, it's gonna be a bit sticky na pag lumabas ka, naglakad ka sa
Oo.
labas. Init pa din siya, like, mainit.
Oo, kasi mainit
But-
talaga. Pero hindi siya humid.
Yeah.
Di pa nga ako pinagpapawisan.
Ako medyo yung kiligili ko.
Ayun lang. So ito guys yung sinasabi nilang bangka. Doon na ba yun? Nasaan yung bangka?
Hindi yun.
Niloko mo kami ron eh.
Saan?
Dito na utilize ang ilog.
Kaya nagbabangka lang ako.
So Ron, kamusta naman ang buhay mo dito?
Atสวัสดีครับรายการโตเตมีโมดที่เราพูดถึงที่อายุ43 ปีขึ้นไปอ่านตาที่ยังหรือห้า
Nice! Ano yun? Inimbento mo lang yun?
Hindi.
Hindi? Ano meaning
Ano,
nun?
ang susunod na programa ay rated S. Ganun yun dito.
Yung sa ano naman, sa bus.
Sa bus?
Next station.
Sa dami satpay. Sa dami satpay. Next station, Leonard.
Okay.
Ani. Eto.
Ani?
Ani. Ito.
Yun ang meaning nun. Tignan nyo naman kung gaano kalinis. Simple lang yan ha. Tapos gumagana yung escalator.
Kadamihan ng lugar dito sa Bangkok or sa Thailand. Ganito yung itsura. Like, malinis.
Ito na to.
Para sa Pilipinas na pinalinis, no? Pinaayos.
Kumbaga ito yung multo ng Pilipinas.
Oo.
Ay, ang ganda oh.
Ganda, oh.
Uy, si Chad Kinis. Pilipinas. Ito ang flood control ha. Ito yon. Mga gag.
Ano to? Chak nung chak?
Chatuchak.
Chatuchak Market. So it's a famous place here in Bangkok, Thailand for the shops, local shops, stores, for food as well I think. So ito yung first stop namin for today. Then nag-try kami nung the Skytrain nila, Skytrain dito sa Bangkok, then also the subway. Yeah, so it's quite similar to Taiwan. Very far from the Philippines. So yeah, legit.
Chicken. One chicken, one shrimp. Pad Thai.
So ayan guys, nagtatry lang kami dito ng local food. Mura lang lahat. Akala ko si Ron may anxiety.
Nagtatamok niya sa aircon nakatotok.
Bumabalik.
Fresh ka man yun.
So guys, nandito kami sa Chinatown para mag-food trip. Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa Chinatown. Yes! Kain ulit. Puro kami kain. So far, ang dami namin napuntahan. Ang dami namin nagawa. And it's been a productive day. So, hindi kami masyadong pagod dahil maganda yung weather. Malamig. Masarap ang food. So far, sa lahat ng mga napuntahan kong ASEAN cities, ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko. O yun, food trip na ulit. Yung kanina. Bukas naman.
guys, good afternoon. So just a quick recap. Yesterday we went to Chinatown, I think. Then also we visited like it's not a temple, but it's a close view of the temple somewhere in Shatnom or something. So yeah, so today we're going to a Platinum Mall, and there's another mall that we're going to, but yeah, we're gonna take the ferry there, and it's about, I think there's quite a bit of stops, about 30 to 40 minutes away from here. So yeah, we're gonna do some shopping. See you guys there. So for today, just wearing shorts, then this top from Chilai, then bag, shoes. That's it. Very basic.
What's up guys? I'm back. Galing kami sa Pratuna Market. Namili kami ng mga bagay-bagay doon pang pasalubong. And dito kami sa Starbucks Reserve. Dito to sa Central World, I think. So far, okay naman. Maganda ang panahon. Kanina pa kami dito pero palakad pero never kaming pinagpawisan. Parang masarap talaga sa feeling yung weather. Saktong-sakto yung pagpunta namin. And we really like it. So hindi na rin ako nakapag-video ng mga kaganapan doon. Kasi it's so magulo. Tas marami akong bit-bit. Pero yeah, yun lang naman muna. Mag-grab na lang ata kami. So yeah, yun lang naman. Goodbye.
Hi guys, good morning. So it's our third day here in Bangkok. So this morning we're gonna go to the laundry shop kasi medyo gusot yung damit namin, especially si Angela. By the way, she's actually working right now in the shop. Nag-work siya ngayon. So we're off to the laundry shop. See you guys there.
Iron. Walang plancha dito guys. Kailangan pa namin pumunta ng laundry shop, which is like
Less than 5 minutes.
less than 100 meters walk lang naman siya. Pero hassle pa rin.
Yeah.
Come on.
Tignan mo kami, may mga bit-bit kami for our...
Yeah. For today's itinerary, pupunta kami ng ancient city.
Yeah, so may mga, I think may mga temples doon. Then it's an old city vibe of Bangkok. I think it used to be the capital city of Thailand before. Am I correct or not?
Ewan.
Didn't expect na medyo magastos pala din dito sa Thailand. Parang ang daily budget nagre-range lang nasa 2 to 3,000 pesos. Pero tipid na yun ha. Wala pang shopping yun. Mostly food lang and transpo. So yeah, medyo magastos. Kaya kailangan magtipid-tipid kasi we still have about 13 days to go for our travel. Or 14. Yeah, around about that.
So guys, drop off na namin yung damit for ironing. So inabot siya ng 20 baht per piece. Tapos yung maliit na piece, 10 baht. Tapos ito katabi na ito, parang karinderya. Ito yung mga authentic mga kainan. Yan. Nag-order ako na itong ano ba yun? Basta, nag-order ako dyan. Wow! Grabe oh. Thank you. Ano to? So guys, kakakain lang namin. Pupunta kaming 7-Eleven for drinks. Gusto ko ng chocolate banana.
Ay, oo. Actually, the food was really good, guys. Yung karinderya lang yun dyan sa gilid. Pero, perfect. 10 out of 10 pang rated. Really good.
Halos lahat naman dito, masarap. Ayoko lang mga exotic. Pero, walang tapon. sasabihin ko sa inyo.
Can't wait then kung ano ang what can Cambodia offer.
Yeah.
8 บาท อันนี้ 10 บาท
10
Ba, dito lang tayo.
Yes. Gagawin na kanin. Sabi niyo yung sa maintindihan ko. Ah, sorry. So pinaalis kami guys. Hindi naman pinaalis. Magbubukas na pala sila. What's up guys? Nandito na kami sa Ancient City.
Hey
Sobrang laki
guys,
nito.
we just arrived sa Ancient City. Is this still Bangkok, no?
So sobrang laki niya talaga. Kanina nakita namin yung glimpse ng mga attractions. So sabi nila, need dito ng golf cart, mag-rent ng kung ano-ano. Para mas mapadali ang pagpunta sa mga areas. English. Ayan.
Okay, ticket for 3 persons. You want here. You can have lunch at number 115.
Okay. Wow!
Kumba.
Wow! Siyempre. Vegetable. One down.
Mas nakakatakot tumanda na trabaho lang ang napuntahan mo.
Yes, sir! Ito kami sa Ancient City. Ang ganda. Look. There. So, by the way, this is only 1,000 pesos on Klook. May libre na siyang buffet. Nakita nyo kanina. So, book nyo lang sa Klook. Use my code, ICEKLOOK.
For 5%.
For 5% off.
Okay, driver. Can we go to our next stop, please? Hi guys, so we are here at the ancient city in Thailand. Guys, napaka ganda. It's parang speechless kami dun sa mga temples, yung mga view dito, sobrang ganda, 'di ba?
Hindi kaya ng ano dito eh. Nung ilang oras na. Siguro whole day dapat.
Yeah, oo.
Sobrang dami, nasa 100 plus ang
And actually hindi
attractions.
siya walkable, so we had to rent a 4-seater golf cart.
golf cart.
So yeah. Success ang meeting. Oh!
Tan. Gusto ko siyang maintindihan.
Kaya nga, anong meron?
Ay, naka-maze kasi ito. Guys, andito kami ngayon sa Red House. Waling. Bengal. Ay, Bengal.
Guys, we just went to the Ghost Museum and it shows the folklore and stuff here in Thailand. So I think they've got like similar ghosts or something in the Philippines. Like from what I saw earlier, they have like a
Tik.
a tik-tik. Parang yung tik-tik sa Philippines. So yeah.
That's my tiger.
Ano kaya?
Nakikiakbay din siya, guys. Okay na. Lobat na tong DJ. Ay.
Hi guys, so kakarating lang namin sa hotel. Medyo malayo yung biyahe. Going back here, it took us about more or less an hour na. So we're here. Dito na kami sa hotel room. It's been an exhausting day but actually worth it. Ganda ng ancient city. Really good. Yeah. What about you, Isaiah? What can you say?
I want to sleep.
I want to eat.
Okay, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. It's another day, another vlog. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Paano, Ben? May robot pa siya, guys. Ito ang ligit na mukha ta. Ay, ligaw. Ito nga pala yung sinayang niya. Ito na itong mga ano. What's up, guys? Today is the day. It's our last day. Check out na namin in about an hour. And nakapag-empake na rin kami. Hindi nga lang maganda. So, 3:30 ang aming flight going to Cambodia. So, yung last day rin namin dito sa Bangkok. Kahapon pumunta kami ng coffee shops, which is hindi naman ako nag-video na doon dahil chill lang.
Talaga ba?
Tapos, right after sa coffee shop, kasi nag-work din kami doon eh. May work ba ako? Wala bang work? Anyway, after ng coffee shop, pumunta kami ng Icon Siam. Icon Siam, whatever. Wala lang, nag-check lang kami doon. Tapos kumain kami ng mukata. At ready na kami pumunta ng airport. So, bago kami pumunta ng airport, kakain muna kami sa cafe sa baba. Tapos mag-grab na kami. Binigyan nga pala kami ng gift card. Kaso hindi namin ito magagamit dahil paalis na nga kami. So, ibibigay ko na lang to sa aking lucky subscribers dito sa Thailand. Kung may mga kilala man sa akin dito, just hit me up, guys. Kaso ba't ko sinasabi dito? Malamang. Pero ibibigay ko na lang to, guys, sa mga tao dito. Lalo yung mga magsa-subscribe sa akin.
Guys! Let's wait. Kasi over limit na kami actually. Upon going to Thailand, I already had like 11 kg. Then, nakabili na ng mga pasalubong and stuff. So, let's see guys kung matatag ba kami for over limit. Naka-kg na to.
12.2.
Wait lang, hindi pa yan.
So, almost 16 kilo. Wait nga lang, check kami sa Agoda kung magkano yung ano.
Pero maaga naman tayo makakapag-purchase tayo ng ano. Hello guys! So, andito na kami ngayon sa airport. So, we're waiting for our flight. Actually, medyo delay siya. About 15 minutes delay, I think yun yung sabi. So, it's our flight going to Cambodia. So, we ended our trip here in Thailand. It's been really good. Amazing. The food, places, the temples, the statues from the ancient city. Napaka ganda guys. So, we can't wait what Cambodia has to offer. So we're really excited to go. So I have Ace here and Angela right over there doing some work, I think. So yeah, guys. Actually, ito yung airport ng Thailand, Don Mueang. There you go.
Mobile number 6219 and order can 5 days in Rosie, Bangkok, Penang, Office Bargain, number 3 Kilo.
Hashtag Sala Traveler.